Here I have Motorola Moto E20, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to select your language. I'll just stay with English, then tap start, and you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but if you don't have any SIM card on, you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later. And you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just set up your device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have Google services. Just remove all the ticks from here, disable all these features, tap accept to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up your screen lock, but you can also skip this step and do this anytime later in settings, or just don't set up any screen lock at all, because nobody really needs your phone. Then remove all the ticks from here, tap accept and continue, then you can allow notifications from Motorola, but you can also just don't do it because you really don't need it. Then you can write your email to the Motorola and they will spam you, so you just tap not now, please. Then you can grant location access, but I think you shouldn't really do it. Just disable this feature too and tap next. And now your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.